This is a 2010 Ford Ranger. This vehicle has seating for 5 adults, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: solar tinted glass, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, the SecuriLock anti-theft system, a passenger side vanity mirror, fog lamps, an anti-lock braking system, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. This Ford has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.